Hey there, welcome to our Lightroom tutorial. Today we're going to dive into something super handy, importing and exporting presets. So let's kick things off with importing presets. You've found some awesome presets online and you're ready to bring them into Lightroom. This is as easy as it sounds, trust me. So first, head over to the Develop module and find the Presets panel. Right-click on any preset folder and hit Import. Now, just locate that preset file you downloaded, select it, and boom, Lightroom does the rest. Your new presets are ready to jazz up your photos. Next up, let's discuss how to export a preset that you created. So, let's say you did an edit you find exactly to be the style of editing that you love and you either want to share it with someone or just add it to your PC. Here is how to do so. Right-click on the preset you want to export, hit export, and choose where you want to save it on your computer. Give it a cool name, and voila, you've got your own preset. And just like that, you're a pro at importing and exporting presets in Lightroom. It's a game changer for speeding up your editing and sharing your signature style with the world. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and if you dug this tutorial, show us some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more Lightroom goodness. Catch you in the next one.